Children's Literature Math Lesson by Charmaine Brinson. Our topic is Double Everything, Content Standard Second Grade, Sec 2NR2, Apply Multiple Part Whole Strategy, Properties of Operation and Place Value Understanding to solve real-life mathematical problems involving addition and subtraction within 1,000 or within 100 for this unit. 2NR21, fluently add and subtract within 20 using a variety of mental or part whole strategies. So for this particular lesson, we're just going to focus on the double addition math facts. Our learning target is I can use double facts to solve double problems. The students' prior knowledge that they should know basic addition facts, and they should be able to use strategies for solving basic addition facts to help with this. Materials that we would use are Optimus board, the document scanner, anchor charts, Chromebooks, whiteboard, dry erase marker, pencils, paperclip, 10-sided dice, and the book Double Everything. Today we will be learning about double math facts. We will read a short book called Double Everything by Lily Toy Hung. Would you want to double everything? Wouldn't that be cool if we could double everything? Then we'll click the YouTube, and of course video will begin to play. Everything. A cute little teaching strategies that I will use would be direct instruction, whole group, small group instruction, think, pair, share, and independent work. Teaching procedure, whole group. After reading the book Double Everything, students will remain seated at their desks. I will go over the anchor chart featuring different examples of doubles along with pictures so the students could visualize. Because this will make the anchor chart that I'm using is going to bring real life situations into math. So like we have two eyes. A set of eyes is two eyes. So we have 1 + 1 = 2. A dozen of eggs is 6. 2 rows of 6. So 6 + 6 will be 12. And so on. Teaching strategy. Independently, the student would then play a game on Splash and Learn. And on Splash and Learn, they'll play for about 10 minutes. And on Splash and Learn, they can instantly see whether they got the answer correct or not. Then the students will complete a double worksheet where they will use the paperclip on this one and their pencil, and they will spin the paperclip. Whatever number that it lands on, they would double it, and then they would color. If it landed on 9, say it was 18, they want to use red, they would color all the 18s red. If it landed on 5 and it was 10, and that would be 10. 5 + 5 is 10. So then they would color all the 10s. If they want to use blue, they would color all the 10s blue, and so on. For small group of think, pair, share, they will also complete a game using a 10-sided dice. This probably would work better if we have the 10-sided dice inside the classroom. But I'm going to show you how it's going to work virtual. If they roll the dice and it says 2, then they would say 2 + 2 is 4. They roll it again, and it's 3. They would then say 3 + 3 is 6, and so on. At the end of the lesson, the students will be able to fluently add up to 20 using the double math facts. The student will also be able to use mental math to solve math equations facts up to 20. The student assessments, I will do at least two summative assessment worksheets. One would say doubles to 12, and the other one would be the Georgia DOE diagnostic assessment. For formative assessment, I will work problems on the Optimal board as for thumbs up or thumbs down for confirmation that they are understanding the math facts. And I will also allow them to work some on their whiteboard, and all that we have to do is hold up the board. I could look around to assess who actually understood the problem or not. For modification or accommodation for students with individual needs, for students that may need additional help, we use the Think, Pair, Share, where they could work with a partner solving double equations using the dice game. Um, what they would do then, they would roll the dice, they would come up, they would take turns solving the equation, they would discuss their answer, how they came about the answer. And also in small in small group, it could be about 4 students with a whiteboard and dry eraser, and the teacher could call out double facts, and the student would have to apply the answer, and we can engage them by that also. So these are interesting ways for students to be able to fluently learn their double facts up to 20.